Hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video I'm going to talk about why I only mow 3 days a week. Coming up. So hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video I want to talk about why I only mow 3 days a week in my lawn care business. Now before I get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell so that you're notified right away when I make videos like these that could have the potential to make your business grow. So when I started my lawn care business over 13 years ago, I used to do all of my jobs throughout the week, between Monday to Friday, whether it be lawn mowing jobs or hedge trimming jobs or power washing jobs or gutter cleaning jobs. I would just fit them in wherever I could to get them done. Now, I found that over the course of time that this wasn't the most efficient use of my time doing things in this manner. Also, I found that, anytime a long weekend would happen and you'd have, say, a statutory holiday on a Monday, I would traditionally then just bump everybody's mowing by one day. So the Monday mowings would become Tuesday, the Tuesdays would become Wednesday, and so forth. And then the Fridays would become Saturday mowings for that particular week. And then the following week, it would go back to the regular schedule. Now, this worked okay, but it cut into, my family life as well when I had to do those Saturday mowings. And having young children at the time, it was a difficult thing to balance that work life and that family life when you'd have those types of things happen. So I started to think, is there a better way to do this? What if I condensed all of my mowing onto certain days and did all of the other jobs on other days? So this originally started with me with mowing between Monday to Thursday only and leaving Fridays available to do all of those other jobs. The other thing that I started to do was when customers would ask me to do something like hedge trimming, I would agree to it. I would tell them the price, but I wouldn't promise them which day it would be done. I would just tell them that I would put it on the list and work through that list and get it done when I could. This would give me that availability and give me that option where now, if a statutory holiday happened on the Monday, I'd be pushing everybody forward a day, but it would land between the Tuesday and the Fridays now. And because I haven't promised anybody to do, their hedges on that Friday, I could just push that job to the following Friday when the schedule was back to normal. Now, this worked really, really good until a few years ago. I decided, well, what if I now work more lawns each of the mowing days and free up another day each week? So I decided to only mow Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays each week, and to free up the Mondays and the Fridays. Now, this has been a game changer for me because I'm pretty rigid on how I am with my schedule. If you guys follow me, follow the podcast, rain or shine. We get a lot of rain here, so there is no rain delays or rain days or anything like that. So I'm at customers' properties on a regular basis every week. So having those mows in the middle of the week just makes it a lot easier for me to manage when there's other circumstances that happen, like those long weekends or like Easter coming up here, where you may have a Good Friday holiday and then a Easter Monday holiday as well. It doesn't interfere with my mowing for those 3 days a week. Everybody sees me on those same days, and there's no more with the customers having to remember, oh, it was a long weekend last weekend. That means that this week the mowing is pushed a day, and whether they have to clean the dog poop this day or is it the next day that he's coming. It just makes it simpler. Everybody knows that the day that I schedule, the day I tell them, is the day that I will in fact be there. Now, this has also given me a bunch of other opportunities because I can now, schedule more of those other types of jobs on those 2 days, but it also allows me to do bigger projects because I can start a job, say, on a Friday, work through it, and if I need to, I could in fact then work on the Saturday on that job and then on the following Monday on that job without disturbing the mowing schedule as well. So overall, it has been a fantastic system for me to just do more lawns. It sort of follows some of those shifts that you would see things like firefighters or police officers do, where they work 3 days on and then 4 days off, or 4 days on and then 3 days off, depending on the certain schedules that they do. And they just work longer hours during those days that they're working, and then have those days off. For me, it's sort of that same concept, except I'm still working those 5 days a week, but I am just condensing the types of jobs that I do. I only need to carry the mowers on those 3 days. And then I can concentrate on those other jobs and just have that same type of equipment. In the past, like I said, when I started, I might have a hedge job on the Monday. I might have another hedge job on the Thursday, and I'd have to remember to bring my hedge trimmers on Monday and then remember to bring them again on the Thursday. This way, if I have them all the hedge jobs condensed on a Monday, I can just bring those tools just for that day, do all those jobs. The Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I am back to just mowing. Friday, I may be back to or doing something like aerations, and I'll load up the aerator. No need to load up mowers, no need to load up hedge trimmers, and now I've just got the aerator, and I'm just banging off aerations on that Friday. So like I said, overall, it's been a fantastic system for me, and I would recommend you guys trying it as well. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you employ a similar type system in your lawn care business where you only mow on certain days of the week and then do other jobs on those other days of the week. If you like this type of how to start a lawn care business type video, I'll leave another one for you to watch up here in this corner, or I'll leave one of my other videos for you to watch up here in this corner. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.